So welcome to a new video. Today we'll start the chapter 3, Medium Access Sublayer. So this is the third chapter of the computer networking, and this chapter is all about the MAC. The MAC is Medium Access Sublayer. It is a part of the data link layer in the WSI model. It manages the access and transmission of data shared communication medium determining simultaneously. So this is about the MAC and a brief definition. Then we will coming to the point-to-point protocol, or PPP. The PPP is a data link protocol used for direct connection between networking nodes, mm, concapsulating data over point-to-point link like cables, phone link, or fiber optics, supporting authentication, encryption, and compression. compression. So this is what is point-to-point protocol. Then we will come to the fiber distributed data interface, or FDDI. FDDI is a high-speed network protocol that uses optical fiber for transmission, offering up to 100 Mbps and redundancy, primarily used for the backbone network in the 1980s and 1990s. And this is a fiber distributed data interface, FDDI. FDDI is a high-speed network protocol that uses optical fiber for transmission, offering up to the 100 Mbps and redundancy, primarily used for backbone network in the 1980s and 1990s. Token bus. Token bus network use a logical bus topology with devices arranged in a token link packet, ensuring only one device can transmit data at a time, reducing collision, and being used in the industrial networks. MAP and token ring. Token ring network use a ring-to-ring topology, requiring a token to transmit data, providing orderly access to the network, and was popular in corporate network before Ethernet. So before the Ethernet has come, the token ring was very popular in the corporate sector network. The token ring network is a ring topology. Token ring is type of a network which use ring topology, requiring a token to transmit data, providing orderly access to the network. So this is all about token ring. And let's see one again, token bus. Token bus network is a logical bus topology with a device arranged in a token link packet, ensuring only one device can transmit data at a time, reducing collision, and being used in industrial networks like MAP. So then we will come to the reservation. And reservation techniques are network management techniques that allocate network resources for a specific device or application, ensuring they are available when needed and reducing collision and delays. So reservation technique is a network management technique. So what it does actually, it allocates network resources for specific devices or applications, ensuring they are available and they are available when they are needed. Those are reducing collision and delays. Then the next topic is polling. Polling is a method where a central controller or master device checks if each network device needs data, ensuring orderly communication, but potentially causing delays in the network with the multiple devices. So polling is a method where there is a central controller or a master device that checks if each network device needs data, and It makes sure that orderly every communication is orderly, available, and potentially causing delays in network with multiple devices. Then we have, after pooling, we have concentration. Concentration is a process that manages multiple low-speed data streams into a single high-speed stream, commonly used in telephone communication networks to maximize bandwidth utilization. Communication is a process that manages multiple low-speed data streams into single high-speed streams, commonly used in the telecommunication networks to maximize bandwidth utilization. Multiple access protocol. Those protocols manage how multiple devices share and access the communication medium simultaneously. Multiple access protocol. Then we have ALOHA. So mainly there are two types of ALOHA. One is pure ALOHA and the second one is slotted ALOHA. The pure ALOHA is, let's see what is pure ALOHA. Device transmit data immediately, collisions are more likely. So this is pure ALOHA. And slotted ALOHA, time is divided in case of slotted ALOHA, time is divided into slots, and devices can only transmit at the beginning of a time slot, reducing collision. So in the case of slotting ALOHA, time is divided into slots. That's why its name is slotted ALOHA. So time is divided into slots, and device can only transmit at the beginning of a time slot. So only at the beginning of a time slot the device can transmit. That's why it helps to reduce the collisions that usually happens in the networks. Then we have carrier sense multiple access, or CSMA. So CSMA performs carrier sense multiple access. What it is, it's a device that checks the communication mediums. So after CSMA CD we have CSMA CA. CA stands for collision avoidance. So basically CSCD is a device that detects the collision, and after detecting the collision, CA it avoid the collisions. That's why it's a CA, or collision avoidance. So basically it's a device that used in a wireless network, for example Wi-Fi device. It try to avoid the collision by waiting for a random backup time before transmitting the data. So it's also an added feature to the CSMA. Just like CSMA CD, it's a CSMA CA, or collision avoidance. Then we have frequently division multiple access, or FDMA. Those are like it's a high tendency to come in your short questions. So what are the full form of this? You have to remember CSMA, scarces multiple access, and FDMA is a frequently division multiple access. So what is FDMA? The bandwidth is divided, in the case of FDMA, the bandwidth is divided into multiple frequently bands, assigning each device a specific frequently band. For communication, a common method in radio and satellite communication. So in FDMA we saw that the bandwidth is divided into multiple frequency bands, assigning each device a specific frequency band. That what it does in FDMA. It is used. It's a common method that is used in the radio and satellite communication. Then we have our fourth topic. Like the next topic is the time division multiple access, or TDMA. Just like CSMA, FDMA is TDMA, time division multiple access. TDMA is a communication channel in digital or cellular network, like GSM, which divides communication channels into the slots for data transmission. And so this is TDMA. TDMA is a communication channel in digital cellular network like GSM, which divides communication channel into the slots for data transmission. And then we have CDMA, or code division multiple access. CDMA, technology used in a mobile networks like 3G, enables simultaneous transmission of multiple devices using using unique codes to differentiate their signals. CADMA, code division multiple access. CDMA, technology used in a mobile network like 3G, enables simultaneous transmission of multiple devices using a unique code to differentiate their signals. Ethernet. Ethernet is a widely used LAN technology utilizing a bus or star topology and CSMA CD protocol for shared communication. It allows multiple devices to connect and communicate over a wired network, offering speed ranging from 10 Mbps to 100 Gbps and supporting both IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. So this is Ethernet. Ethernet is all about, it's a common topic in the network or the internet world. It's a widely used LAN technology. Utilizing a bus or star topology and CSMA CD protocol to shared communication, it allows a multiple device to connect and communicate over a wired network, offering speed ranging from 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps Gbps and supporting both IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. And CDMA is a technology that is used in mobile networks like 3G, enables simultaneous transmission of multiple devices using unique code to differentiate their signals.